Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how Roblox interacts with Windows 7. It's important to know that Roblox officially ended support for Windows 7 for players on January 16, 2025. This means you might experience issues, as the game may not function correctly or receive crucial updates. Furthermore, Roblox Studio, the game creation tool, also stopped supporting Windows 7 on March 20, 2025. Roblox ended support for Windows 7 to align with industry security standards and improve overall performance. Older operating systems often lack the robust security features found in newer versions, making them less secure for online gaming. Continuing to use Roblox on Windows 7 could lead to compatibility issues, unexpected crashes, or a less stable gaming experience. This move allows Roblox to focus on developing advanced features for more current systems. To ensure the best experience, Roblox now officially requires Windows 10 or a newer operating system. Beyond the operating system, you'll need a processor from 2005 or newer, running at 1.6 GHz or better. Your system should also have at least 1 GB of RAM and 20 MB of free disk space. For graphics, DirectX 10 or a higher feature level is essential for the application to run properly. For uninterrupted and secure access to Roblox, the strongest recommendation is to upgrade your operating system to Windows 10 or a more recent version. If your current computer hardware doesn't meet the updated system requirements, consider upgrading components or the entire system. Playing on an unsupported operating system not only risks compatibility issues, but also exposes your computer to potential security vulnerabilities, as it won't receive critical updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.